give me that look, Marley? You give me that look for? Have you ever known a dog to be so comfortable that? Oh yeah, see that's how comfortable he is. He has his own side. Oh, he's so funny. Yeah, there you go, Mr Marley Pants, sleeping. I really want you to hear him snore. I'm going to pause for a bit, see if I can get him back to deep sleep.